So question 10, explain the term trophic level. So feeding level, energy level, position in the food chain. Get the mark if you have any of those words. Comment on the relationship between the size of the organism and its relative position in the pyramid of numbers. If the organism is bigger, where do you expect to find it? Higher or lower? Right. Size increase as you move up, or smaller animals at the bottom. Smaller animals at the bottom of the food chain, bigger animals at the top. State any one limitation to the use of this model. So what limits it? Yeah, sorry. Size of animal is not taken into account. So, or reference to inverted pyramid, or pyramids involving parasites. So parasites aren't taken into account. Pyramids cannot be drawn to scale, so they can't show you the exact numbers. Look up, put the bag down. B. As the end of the last century approaches, we as a society realised that our attitudes to waste production and management would have to change. Procedures such as reusing and recycling were introduced. Explain, in your opinion, why has the production of waste increased in recent years? Population increase. So let's see. Increase in consumption of consumer goods. Yeah, population increase would also. Right, 2. Much of our domestic waste is disposed of in landfill sites. Comment on the problems that arise from this method of waste disposal. So, unsightly, yeah, unpleasant smells, attracts scavengers, leaching of toxic substances into groundwater. So, toxic substances get leached into the groundwater, which the groundwater then gets recycled and used again. So, that those toxins still remain. Describe any one example of reusing from everyday life. Right. Reusing bottles, plastics. 4. Microorganisms may also play an important role in waste management. Mention any one procedure in which they are involved. So part 4. Composters. So anaerobic digesters, sewage treatment. Any of those. Recycling of nutrients by microorganisms play an important role in nature. Why is it important that nutrients are recycled? So they've been reused, yeah. So part 5. So they're scarce. Nutrients are scarce. They can't make more of them. They can be reused. During the nitrogen cycle, nitrogen from the air is converted to nitrates. So, but the person is looking for specific answers. The type of bacteria involved in this conversion from nitrogen from the air to nitrates. What's that? What's the name of the bacteria there? Nitrogen fixing bacteria. Here, keep looking up. Why is this conversion necessary? Because plants, plants can't absorb nitrogen from the atmosphere, so they need something else to fix it for them. Hold on. To what compound are nitrates? No, stop, wait. To what compound are nitrates converted by denitrifying bacteria? So part 4 of VII. So they're converted back into nitrogen gas. Remember that was the last stage. Hold on 1 second. Mention any one way in which ammonia enters the nitrogen cycle. So decomposition of plants or animals or excretion. So ammonia is in your urine.
Assimilation, is it?